Hello students, now we are going to see the fourth exercise in lesson number 7. The title, Faites les phrases avec les éléments donnés. Make the sentences with the given element. See the example. J'ai le café s'amuse. What they have did here, subject pronoun je, a verb is in infinitive form, and le café is noun. Two noun and one verb is given. See the example. C'est le café où je m'amuse. It's the cafe, the restaurant where I used to enjoy myself. What they did here, then use the noun after the expression say. It is le café. It is the restaurant. And they are using relative pronoun où, where. And they are using the subject je, which they are given there. And the verb is in infinitive form. Is conjugated in imperfect tense. So I hope to remember how to get the imperfect tense. First, you have to go new form of the present tense, and second steps we have to remove the ending and ons, and you are getting the stem of imperfect and imperfect endings. When the subject is je, imperfect ending is ais. When the subject is tui, imperfect ending is ais. When the subject is il or al, since third person masculine or feminine singular, you have to imperfect ending is ait. When the subject is pronoun is nous, we, imperfect ending is ions. When the subject is vous, second person plural, vous, imperfect ending is iez. When the subject is pronoun as ils, third person masculine plural or third person feminine plural, when the imperfect ending is aient. So repeat this subject pronoun and imperfect endings. Okay. When the subject is je, ending is ais. When subject is tui, again ais. When the subject is il or elle, the ending of imperfect is ait. When the subject pronoun is nous, imperfect ending is ions. When the subject is vous, and imperfect ending is iez. When the subject is pronoun is plural form, imperfect ending is aient. So these are the ending of the imperfect ending according to the subject. And stem you are getting new form of the verb and remove ons. You are getting the stem. So according to this example, we have to make a remaining sentence what they are given there. The verb which is in the infinitive form, they conjugated the verb in imperfect tense. C'est le café où je amuse. Okay. According to the example, we are going to write the first sentence. Tu, l'école, aller. You, school, to go. You is the subject and school is also a subject, noun, and aller is verb. Is the school where you used to go. Aller should be conjugated in imperfect. And new form of the present tense of aller is ALLONS and remove ONS. You are getting ALL and the ending of three is AIS. Second one. Vous le bureau travailler. You, the office to work. C'est le bureau où vous travaillez. Is the office where you used to work. So we have to le bureau after the expression say, pay, say, and subject pronoun vous after the relative pronoun vous, and we have to use the travailler is in the infinitive form, and this you have to conjugate it in imperfect tense. And new form of present tense of travailler is TAIVAILLONS and remove ONS TRAVAILLIES because subject is vous here. Okay. Stem I written in red color, imperfect ending is in blue color. So that is easy for you to analyze. What is there? What we done there? Nous, le restaurant manger. We, the restaurant to eat. So see, say le restaurant. How this expression say and noun is given le restaurant. After the noun, relative pronoun où, and we have to use the subject is given there. Afterwards, verb manger, you have to conjugate it in imperfect tense. So imperfect of manger, new form of the present tense, MANGEONS. So remove ONS and you are getting the stem MANGE. Okay, E should be there in new form of the present tense. Okay, you are getting the stem MANGE. And remember, when the subject is pronoun and pronoun is NOUS and last E should be noted. So subject pronoun is nous, MANGIONS. So spelling is different for normal letters. So remember this manger carefully. Okay. Is the restaurants where we used to eat. Fourth one. Le magasin achetait tous ses vêtements. He, the shop, to buy all his presents or clothes. Okay. Say is the noun, the magazine, and then we have to using a relative pronoun vous. After that, subject pronoun il, and achete is the verb. You have to conjugate it in imperfect tense. General rule of asante, new form of the asante is ACHETONS, and remove ONS, you are getting stem ACHET, and according to the subject il, imperfect ending is AIT. Last one. Elle le parc jouer. They the park to play. Say le parc. After the expressions le parc. Say le parc. Relative pronoun vous. Où, and then the given verb subject is elle, and verb jouer you have to conjugate it in imperfect tense. Jouer, gender rule of present tense of new form of the jouer is JOUONS, and there you remove ONS. JOU is the stem and the subject is a plural here, Amperfect ending is AIENT. So it is easy only, but it is your hand. You must practice 2 or 3 times. You watch this video, then you can easily understand. Thank you.